Last lecture में जो पढ़ा था that was Dalton's atomic theory. We have discussed the first theory which focuses on particulate nature of matter. Then we have seen explanation for laws of chemical combination, right? Laws of chemical combination. ये देखा था, right? Now let us discuss some of the drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory.
Yesterday there was lecture.
No dear, why there was confusion, I don't know. See, Aniket sir is in native place there. It's difficult for him to take late. So he has requested me to that he wants to take it on Monday. So Monday's lecture he takes. Instead of that, now I'm taking on Wednesday. Earlier Wednesday was not there, right? So I will take on Wednesday.
Yes, sir.
So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Instead of Monday, Tuesday, Friday, now it is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay. Now, drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory. Okay. There are a lot of drawbacks. This is the first theory, obviously does not satisfy. Now, after that, there were many observations which this theory cannot explain, right? So, few points of it are still retained. That theory still exists, and some of the points which he has given was really good. He gave the direction to think. So, some points are still retained. Some of them are modified. Altogether, we can say there were a lot of drawbacks in Dalton's atomic theory. Like the first one, he said atom is a building block, right? As per him, atom is a building block of matter, right? Now, if atom is a building block of matter, then why atoms of different elements are different? If atom is a building block, then building block, everything is made up of atom. Then atom should not be different, right? Hello. If atom is a building block, then atoms of all the elements should be same. If atom is a building block of matter, but atoms of different elements were different. This means atom is not the building block, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
As per him, atom is indivisible. As per him, atom is indivisible. But now we know, around 34 subatomic particles. Okay, now atoms divide. Atoms can be divided. As on date, we know around 34 subatomic particles. Electrons, protons, neutrons, mesons, leptons, quarks. There are many subatomic particles, right? As on date. He said atoms cannot be divided. But atoms can be divided. Now we know, right? And this is the reason. See, Abhi, if you talk of electrons, protons, and neutrons, so even till 12th, we'll consider electrons, protons, and neutrons as fundamental particles and building block of matter. So electron kisi ka bhi ho, let it be an electron of sodium or let it be an electron of iron. All the electrons are identical. Atoms of different elements are not identical, but building blocks, that is electrons, protons, and neutrons. So electrons, protons, and neutrons are identical. Let it be of any element. Getting it? Hello?
Sir, could you repeat?
Kanishk, I cannot hear you. You're saying something?
Sir, I'm saying, sir, could you repeat?
See, what I'm saying is, as per Dalton, atom is a building block. Now, if atom is a building block of matter, then why they are different? Why they are different? Why atoms of different elements are different? Right? But here, if I talk of electrons, protons, and neutrons, so electrons, protons, and neutrons, next chapter में इसको explore करेंगे हम, of different elements will be same. तो वो ठीक है, वो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक हो सकता है. भाई बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक सबका, पूरे मैटर का अगर बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक है, तो वो तो सबके लिए सेम होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट. तो ये बराबर बैठता है. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स आर आल्सो आइडेंटिकल इन ऑल रिस्पेक्ट. चलो, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि एटम्स भी डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. ये उसका ड्रॉबैक था, राइट? ही सेड एटम्स ऑफ सेम एलिमेंट आर आइडेंटिकल. Atoms of same element may differ in mass. Yeah, atoms of same elements may differ in mass. You might have heard of isotopes. I don't know whether you have heard of it or not. So isotope क्या होता है? Same element, atoms of same element have different masses. They differ in neutron number. This we'll study in next chapter, right? So उनमें masses अलग होते हैं, एलिमेंट सेम होगा. जैसे ऑक्सीजन का 16 भी होता है मास, 17 भी होता है, 18 भी होता है. अभी क्या होता है 16, 17, 18? You will come to know in next standard, or at least in next topic you will get a little idea of it. So we say कार्बन का different isotopes are there. Carbon 12 is there, carbon 14 is there, right? Oxygen ka O16, O17, O18 is there. So different isotopes होते हैं. So atoms of same element may differ in mass.
Yes, sir.
Right? Atoms of different elements
Yes.
may have same mass. उसने क्या बोला था डाल्टन ने? Atoms of different element differ in all respects. Differ in mass, size, right? But here, now we know atoms of different elements may have same mass, as we have the name isobars. Isobars होते हैं जहां पे atoms of different elements have same mass. आ रहा है समझ में?
No, I didn't understand third one and fourth one.
See what Dalton said. All the atoms of same element are identical in all respect, right? But if you consider hydrogen itself, so hydrogen में अलग-अलग कुछ atoms होंगे which have mass of 1 unit, some of them have mass of 2 units, some of them have mass of 3 units. Though they have different names also, deuterium and tritium we say. Okay, leave it. See, carbon atoms, all the carbon atoms should be identical in all respects, right?
So,
If you take a sample of carbon, there are many atoms in it. There are many atoms in it. What do you expect? Their masses should be same or should be different?
so it should
But ऐसा नहीं होता है. Different carbon atoms have different masses. Majority of them have same mass, but some of them have different mass also.
No, but if electrons, protons, and neutrons are same in each case, then why they are different?
No, they differ in neutron number. Number of neutrons is different in them. This we'll discuss in detail in next chapter, but still, to make it convincing to you, I'll explain. See, we have two isotopes of carbon. We have carbon 12 and carbon 14. Now, what is carbon 12? Carbon 12 has 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 6 neutrons. Whereas carbon 14 has 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 8 neutrons. So, carbon ka hi atom hai. It has the properties, all the chemical properties of carbon only, right? उसकी वैलेंसी उतना ही होगी जितने बाकी कार्बन की सबका, but they differ in neutron number. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So उनको isotopes बोलते हैं. These different atoms are known as isotopes. Same chemical properties, same physical property, but they differ in atomic masses. Their atomic masses are different. बाकी प्रॉपर्टी सेम है, कार्बन ही है वो, बट मास ऑफ एटम इज डिफरेंट, राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो सेम एटम ऑफ सेम एलिमेंट हैज डिफरेंट मास, राइट? ऐसे ही एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स में हैव सेम मास. कैल्शियम का एक एटम का मास इज 40 एंड दिस वन argon 40 is also there. Then potassium 40 is also there. This is 39, but again isotope of potassium. So different elements may also have same atomic mass. These are known as isobars. We'll discuss in detail in next chapter when we discuss what are electrons, protons, and neutrons, and what is the number of them in different elements. There we'll discuss in detail. But here, just to explain the drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory, I'm writing this. Right? He said atoms are indivisible, but now we know 34 subatomic particles. He said atoms of same element are identical in all respects, but now we know they are atoms of same element may differ in mass. The word is isotope. He said atoms of different elements are different in all respects, but now we know they can have same mass. The term is isobars. He said atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed, right? Neither be atoms, as per Dalton, atoms can neither be created produce an atom from another atom by a process which is known as nuclear fission or nuclear fusion. So in higher syllabus in nuclear chemistry, we'll see we can produce we can alter an atom also. From one atom we can make another atoms, right? Artificial radioactivity. There is a topic in higher syllabus where you will come to know, where you will see that we can create atoms or even we can destroy. Destroy means what? New atom will be formed. From an atom, we can form a new atom. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So these are the drawbacks. Like all the assumptions which he has made, now we know are wrong. That day Kanishk asked the question, why this happens, sir? Why they are identical or something like that, So actually he had made some assumptions in order to explain some of the phenomena. But later on we have observed something new, which could not be explained by Dalton's atomic theory. Later on the theory was modified again and again and again. Even now these are directly with respect to what? Atoms. In laws of chemical combination also there are some drawbacks. For example, what he said, atoms always combine a simple whole numbers, right? Atoms always combine in simple whole numbered ratios to form compound atoms, right? To form compound atoms. But now we know, जरूरी नहीं है simple, बहुत complicated ratio भी होता है to form कंपाउंड एटम्स अभी तो मालूम है, बहुत अजीब अजीब से होते हैं, लाइक शुगर ही देख लो, शुगर या ग्लूकोज C12H22O11, या शुगर देख लो, ग्लूकोज देख लो, तो रेशियो देखो ना 12:22:11, ऐसा नहीं है कि 1:2, 2:3, 1:3 ऐसे रेशियो में, तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड रेशियोज भी हो सकते हैं, ये तो फिर भी कुछ नहीं है। There are some non-stoichiometric compounds where you have Fe 0.93 हो, ऐसा भी होता है। अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे तो फ्रैक्शंस में है, डेसिमल में। There is a non-stoichiometric compound which will study in higher syllabus. 0.93:1 का रेशियो है, ये तो बहुत ही अजीब सा रेशियो है। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि they will always combine in simple whole numbered ratio, but that ratio may be complicated also. That ratio of the numbers may be very large or maybe in decimals also. जबकि हमने Dalton's theory में पढ़ा था, it cannot be in decimals, right? आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Now, one of the doubts which I believe Kanishk has asked, they combine, but Dalton failed to explain why do they combine. That is also one of the drawbacks of the theory. He suggested that atoms combine. He said atoms combine to form compound atoms. और वो रेशियो भी बताया उसने, to form compound atoms. But he could not explain why do they combine. What is the purpose? Why they want to combine? Sometimes one of them combines with the other, sometimes it does not combine with the other. So क्या चक्कर क्या? So atoms combine to form compound atoms, but he failed to explain. And he failed to explain why do the atoms combine at all to form compound atoms. Why do they combine to form compound atoms? क्या आप बोल रहे हो कंबाइन करते ही क्यों हैं? Why do they? When they are building, they are particles, right? So why do they combine?
Sir.
What holds them in bulk? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
You got that out? Okay. So he failed to explain that also. Then some more points are there which are not there in your syllabus. Like one of them he could not explain. That is also there in your book, I believe. He could not distinguish between smallest particle of an element, and compound. See, smallest particle of an element and a compound are different, right? This is what atom and that of compound are molecules, right? So he failed to distinguish or identify the two separately. As per him, सबका ही जो smallest particle है, that is atom, right? So these are some of the drawbacks directly in atoms and in laws of chemical combination. Okay. Anyway, there was a lot of work done after Dalton's theory, and now we know, yes, there is something like an atom, which is kind of building block of an element, not of matter, so at least of an element, I can say. Later on, we'll see which that atom itself is made from the different components like electrons, protons, and neutrons, and higher syllabus will come from something else, right? But at least for this chapter, atoms and molecules, I can say yes. Atoms do exist, and they are kind of building block of an element. कॉपर के लिए कॉपर का जो बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक, कॉपर आप मार्केट से जाके लेके आओगे. इफ यू go to a market and bring a plate of copper and plan to divide it, हाफ किया और हाफ किया और हाफ किया और हाफ किया और कम किया, keep on dividing and keep on dividing and keep on dividing it. The smaller fragments you divide further, you divide smaller fragments further, keep on dividing it,